In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Pinterest into your digital routine. Whether you're a casual user, a marketer, or someone who's simply curious about visual inspiration, adding a Pinterest account to your dashboard can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First things first, we need to head over to the Pinterest website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL bar, or you can search for Pinterest using your search engine. Once you're there, you should see the familiar Pinterest homepage welcoming you. This is your gateway to a world of inspiring visuals and creative ideas. Next, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where your profile icon is located. It's typically at the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your control center, where you can manage various settings and features associated with your account. Here's a handy tip. If you can't find your profile icon, make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account. Logging in will ensure you have access to all personalized features and options. Once you're in the drop-down menu, glance through the options until you see something that says, Add Pinterest Account. Clicking this option will start the integration process. Now let's pause for a moment to reflect on what you're doing. By adding another Pinterest account, you're enabling yourself to switch effortlessly between multiple profiles. This is especially useful if you use Pinterest for both personal inspiration and professional purposes. Keeping these accounts separate allows you to manage your pins and boards more effectively, ensuring that your creative content is curated and organized in a way that best suits your needs. Once you've clicked Add Pinterest Account, you're nearly done with the process. The system will guide you through any remaining simple steps to complete the integration. Don't worry, these steps are designed to be straightforward, supporting a user-friendly experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a new Pinterest account to your profile. This feature is powerful because it lets you embed your love for visual creativity into your daily browsing. It enhances the way you explore and save ideas, whether they are for a personal project, professional work, or just a hobby. Remember, the digital realm offers endless possibilities, and with tools like Pinterest at your disposal, you can tap into a world of inspiration anytime you need it. This wraps up our guide today. I hope you found it clear and helpful. Enjoy your enhanced Pinterest experience and stay creative.